नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं घमासान.com। मैं हूँ आपके साथ दीक्षा भारती। कोरोना ने हमारे देश का जो हाल किया है वो हम सभी जानते हैं, और उस कोरोना से बचने के लिए जो सरकारी गाइडलाइंस के अनुसार नियम जारी किए गए हैं, जिसमें मास्क लगाना सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है, क्योंकि मास्क ही है जो हमें वायरस से बचा सकता है, साथ ही सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग। तो इसी मास्क को देखते हुए हमारे साथ आज यहाँ पर मौजूद है मिस्टर केवी सर की जो कंपनी है SSS सिमुलेशन। ये एक स्टार्टअप है, और इस स्टार्टअप ने मिलकर एक ऐसा मास्क तैयार किया है जो कोरोना वायरस से बचने में काफ़ी हद तक कारगर है। तो हम जानते हैं SSS सिमुलेशन के बारे में, साथ ही मास्क कैसे प्रिपेयर किया गया है और ये आप तक कैसे पहुँचेगा इसके बारे में भी सर से जानें। सर बहुत सारा है। सबसे पहले मैं आपसे जो SSS सिमुलेशन है इसके बारे में जानना चाहूँगी कि ये कैसा स्टार्टअप है और किस तरीके से आप वर्क करते हैं।
Basically, हमने June. I'll speak in English. June 2019, we started the company. Based out of Silver Springs. Initially, we started off in my house. I was working initially in that company for the first 1 year. Then, April 2020, I left my job and full time I started this startup. And we are in 4 verticals. Now we are the automotive, aerospace, then transportation and medical devices. Automotive, we work with other Maruttis, big Tier 1s, Tier 2s, then Volkswagen Tier 1, Tier 2. Then in aerospace, we work with some of the companies like Tata, Mahindra. And in transportation, we are just about starting. And medical devices, the first device we are launching in the market is the mask, an airport LVD. So we are now 2 years old, and we are based out of Silver Spring Phase 2. We have a small office in the commercial complex. We have now around 8 employees. In medical devices, there are 2 employees, Aniket Kumar and Raja Gupta. These are young boys and they give a lot of passionate work towards the company. And the other teams also, we have in automotive, we have around 565 people. And on aerospace, we have, I work alone in the aerospace here. So we are expanding the team in the aerospace now. But I would like to talk regarding the medical devices, which is very important now. Concerning situation.
ये जो मास्क बनाने का आइडिया है ये कैसा है, क्या सिचुएशंस देखी आपने आपके सामने जब आपको लगा कि आपको इस तरह का मास्क बनाना चाहिए?
Basically from November 2019 from Wuhan or wet lab it started. Then this is the worst crisis human being or the world as global world has faced still from the World War I days. And people, mother, brother, father, or a daughter, or a son, or a cousin, or a friend, they lost lives. Once these people lose their lives, your life is going to be upside down and it's not going to be the same again. So our main purpose was to try to save people's lives. And we started working in from January 2021. Actually, if you see this coronavirus has in US, in America alone, it has taken more lives than World War I, World War II, Pearl Harbor, then 9/11, all the worst situation for America put together has taken more lives than that. That is the scale of death that has happened in advanced country like America, US or UK or Europe. These are advanced countries. A lot of people have died and a lot of people's lives have changed. And we wanted to work on some solid solution. The problem with coronavirus, as you know, it's a size. It's 60 nanometer. 60 nanometer means 60 into 10 raised to minus 9 meter. And the hair width is 1.1 millimeter. That's 10 raised to minus 3. So you are looking at a size which is 10 raised to minus 6 less, which can't be seen by eyes, which can't be seen by microscope or seen by anything. This is the smallest virus which has come in the world till date, and that's the major problem with coronavirus. So you won't know you are infected because it goes inside your body and you don't know unless it shows symptoms because of size, 60 nanometer. Since it is a nano size virus, we want to work on nanotechnology. So, and also there are a lot of masks. I agree, there's a lot of masks. As per the WHO guidelines, any government guidelines, you have to wear a mask and keep 2 meters distance. So even I don't have any problem with wearing any kind of mask, but you have to wear. If you should know the reality that if you wear a cloth mask or cloth or surgical mask, that will only filter 50% of the coronavirus. and N95 will filter only 85 to 90% of the coronavirus. Still, you have to maintain the 2-meter distance. This is why the lockdowns are implemented by the governments, not to stop the economy because people don't do the 2-meter distance. Because they only wear N95 and cloth mask. 90% of public wear cloth mask. There is a very easy chance that you get affected. Once you enter the hospital, you have to think of shelling out 10 to 12 lakhs. It's not official statement, but it's just general figure I tell. But 10 to 12 lakhs is a huge amount for a normal human being. So we wanted to design a mask which will filter the 100% of the coronavirus. So this technology should be scalable such that next 100 years, whatever the virus comes in the world, it should be able to fight it. So we went to start designing with nanotechnology because we want to fight a nanovirus, you need a nanotechnology. So we discussed with Amrita Institute of Nanosciences. We had research on papers and Google. We searched a lot of articles, research papers from various universities, US universities. So we found out that a mild electricity can stop the virus. Because all these viruses are like normal human cells. Normal human cells, it needs voltage to stick to the cells. And the coronavirus voltage is around 0.4 volts. So if you give any 0.4 volts, more voltage than 0.4 volts, the outer shell will get ruptured. So we decided to work on the electricity, using electricity to eliminate the coronavirus. So we worked for 1 month, then we decided mutually that conducting a nanofiber is a very difficult task. So we stopped that project and then we focused on nano coating like silver or copper. Both have antiviral property. So and it's also nano size, so it can take on the coronavirus. So we work with 2 suppliers from Jamshedpur and Delhi, and we decided to work on copper and silver coating, and then now we are going to enter production in August 1st week. And I am happy to announce that test results have come and 99% of the coronavirus is getting eliminated. So we achieved what we want to achieve. Main objective is to save lives and so that human beings can march forward or walk forward and go into their daily lives.
जब आपने इस मास्क को बनाने की स्टार्टिंग की तो जब से लेकर इसको जैसे आप बता रहे हैं अप्रूवल मिल चुका है, जल्दी इसका प्रोडक्शन स्टार्ट होगी, मार्केट में आ जाएगा, तो ये पूरी प्रोसेस कैसे हुई, किस तरीके से आपने
New product development is always a risky procedure because you are working on something unknown. You don't know. When you develop a new product, you don't know anything about it. So you have to work in a different way in developing a new product. You have to have patience, you have to take risk. And we took the risk, and now after 4 months or 5 months of struggle, now we have achieved the new product. New product is always risky because we are always working in the unknown. You don't know, we have set the process, everything is so complex.
मार्केट में कब तक ये मास्क
we are planning to launch by August 1st week. We are getting machine from China. China is one of the biggest mask manufacturing machine manufacturer. And we are getting machine, and we are bank also is helping us with loans. IDBI Bank is helping us with loans, and we will sell through Meesho, then Meesho, then Flipkart, Amazon, and you say then we will sell to medical stores and then distributors. We are working on some strategies. We are not deciding the price. It will be between 60 to 80 rupees.
बाकी मास्क जो है N95 है और सर्जिकल मास्क वगैरह है, उसकी अपेक्षा आपने बताया कि काफी हद तक कारगर है आपने जिस मास्क को.
No, I am not against any mask. I am not against any players. I just want to save lives. I just want to tell you that N95 or cloth mask if you wear, you have to properly maintain the distance, 2 meters distance, because it doesn't filter the virus because of the size. It's 60 nanometers. It can be seen in microscope, but it can't be seen in your eyes. So it's an invisible enemy. So you have to N99 because it's going to filter 99% is going to give you complete protection against COVID.
इनकी प्राइस में और आपके बनाए मास्क की प्राइस में कुछ difference?
No, price we are competitively priced because I want it to be as affordable to normal human beings, so that it's not about competition or competing or earning money. It's about saving lives.
आपने जब मास्क बनाने की स्टार्टिंग की थी तब सेकेंड वेव से हम लोग निकल रहे थे और अब थर्ड वेव आने की बात कही जा रही है और इसी के साथ ही वेरिएंट भी कई सारे आ रहे हैं, डेल्टा वेरिएंट, डेल्टा प्लस वेरिएंट। तो क्या इसको लेकर आपने कोई तैयारी की है या आप कोई रिसर्च?
This technology is scalable for next 100 years. Whatever virus, even smaller virus up to 50 nanometers we can work. And technology we can scale it out with some additions. So we can protect human beings from the next virus for next. If something comes below 15 nanometer, you will see something different. I just want to say that nature has more complex things than human beings can even think of. This coronavirus is in animals and bats or tigers or lions for the last 30 years. Even I had a pet dog and I had a coronavirus vaccine for him. So we had to respect nature. We had to respect nature, follow the rules. The rules are for you, not for others. It's for your safety. And because nature is so complex that humans cannot compensate.
मास्क के बारे में और क्या बताना चाहेंगे आप?
Basically,
किस तरह
this
से
is a four or five layer mask, and each 2 layer of copper coating, copper nano coating, and 2 layer of silver nano coating. Silver and copper both are antiviral properties, and it is safe for human beings. So we want to use this silver and nano copper, and copper layer also it emits electricity when anything comes in contact, much beyond much lesser than what humans can feel. So as I said, any voltage beyond 0.4 volts or 0.5 volts of the coronavirus, it is going to kill the coronavirus.
अभी देखा जा रहा है कि वैक्सीन के बाद मास्क को लेकर लोग अवेयर कम हो गए हैं थोड़े, तो क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
इतना ही बताऊंगा, अगर if the virus can mutate itself for the next 5 years, I don't think vaccine is very important because it gives a basic level. The chance of death is less. That I agree. But you will still be sick because you have to visit hospital. So vaccine will help you solving the death issue. You will not die soon, but you will still be sick with COVID because it is mutating. It is changing its RNA, it is reading the human nature, and it is just a one single strand of RNA, and it is reading the human nature and adapting itself. This Delta was aerated, it came from Nepal, and it is spread to the world now. And the second wave was because of Delta, now third wave is from Delta plus and Lambda, and it's going to mutate itself till it human affects. I told you now, 1 foot is 16 nanometer. You have to think 16 10 raised to minus 9. This means if you have 1 foot box, 1 foot by 1 foot, 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter box, that will have 100 billion viruses. That is enough to kill you. Seriously. It is such a small thing, 100 billion viruses. So that if you go near your that box with a cloth mask or N95 or some other N99 or our N99 also, that's enough to kill you. 1 foot, this much, 1 foot. You understand? That's a small size of virus. Can't be seen. It's not. You won't know that you are infected, and you will infect so many others.
सर कोविड को लेकर आप जनता को किस तरह से ले रहे हैं?
Basically, इतना ही बोला कि 2 फुट की India has so many people. It's like 1 person goes maintaining 2 meters social distancing is very difficult. So you have to wear proper mask and keep sanitizing. This is not over right. You keep variants will coming, and even if you're vaccinated, you are not safe from sick, but you will be safe from being in a very tough situation, but you are not safe. You will still be COVID positive. That medical experts have told. But if you want to really want to contribute towards the country, then follow the rules. So that's the only thing. Viruses you can't see. So you have to, before it enters your body, virus doesn't say that I am entering your body. So you don't know when you are infected. Before that you will spread it to 30 people, 40 people, 50 people who are not in contact. So it's very difficult situation. We have to stay together and just hope that this tough thing goes off and change the ways we deal with nature and animals. Better respect both. Otherwise, these viruses will keep coming. This is just the beginning. That's what I say.
जैसे कि सर ने हमें बताया कि हमें नेचर को रेस्पेक्ट करना होगा, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं से वायरस वहीं से निकल कर आ रहे हैं क्योंकि हम नेचर को रेस्पेक्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं। हम अपनी लाइफस्टाइल में इतना खो चुके हैं कि हम रिटर्न हमें मिल रहा है, जो कि कोरोना के रूप में हमारे सामने आ गया है। और अगर आगे भी हम इसी तरह की लापरवाही करते रहे, प्रकृति को बिगाड़ते रहे, तो शायद हम और भी बुरी कंडीशन देख सकते हैं। तो अपनी नेचर को रिस्पेक्ट करिए, एनिमल्स को रिस्पेक्ट करिए और अपने आसपास की आबो हवा को ठीक रखने की कोशिश करिए। साथ ही SSS सिमुलेशन ने आपके लिए जो मास्क तैयार किया है वो जल्दी मार्केट में उपलब्ध होगा, तो आप इस मास्क का यूज़ कर सकते हैं। ये 99% कारगर है। हालांकि सभी मास्क कारगर है, आप मास्क का उपयोग जरूर करें, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग रखें और शासन ने कोरोना के लिए जितनी भी गाइडलाइंस जारी की है उनका पालन करते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more updates.